Most people over 50 worry about money. They feel stress each month. Bills pile up. Plans pile up. It can feel heavy and cold. You may fear running out of savings. You may fear losing your job. Those fears are real and normal. They do not mean it is over. It is never too late to begin something new. Small steps can change things. A little extra income helps a lot. You can start this week. The first idea is simple and hopeful. Take one small step today. Keep it short and clear. Start now and stay kind to yourself. Just begin. Age brings more than gray hair. It brings practical knowledge. Years of work give real know-how. That know-how is useful today. You know how to solve problems calmly. You know how to talk to people. Those are skills people pay for. Treat them like tools you own. Meet Carl. Carl was 56 and scared. He lost his logistics job and felt lost. He looked back at his years of planning and contacts. Carl started small and clear. He offered short consulting hours to local shops. He charged a fair hourly fee. Soon he had steady clients and more self-respect. It really helped him. You want ideas that fit low energy. You want small startup cost. You want simple steps. Here are 5 that work. First, tutoring or teaching online. Teach 1 hour at a time. Use video calls from home. Set hours that suit you. Second, freelance consulting. Offer clear, small services. Help local shops. Help online clients. Use a simple profile and a plain offer. Third, pet sitting or dog walking. Start in your neighborhood. Ask friends for referrals. It fits flexible days and low energy. Fourth, virtual assistant work. Help with email or scheduling. Learn a few tools online. A few hours a day can pay steady. Fifth, sell digital downloads. Make a planner or guide once. Sell it again and again online. It takes work up front, then more time to grow. So try one and keep it simple. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but they can bring in hundreds or even thousands a month, especially once you get consistent. Passive income means earnings that keep coming after initial work. It is not magic. It takes time at first. It can help for years. One simple path is dividend funds. You buy a fund that pays small amounts. You do this through a simple account. It grows slowly. Another path is renting. Rent a spare room storage space. Use sites like Airbnb local groups. It brings steady monthly money with low work. Write a short guide ebook. Share what you already know. Put it online to sell. The work is up front. Real people make small work pay. Their wins are simple and practical. They did not wait for perfect timing. They started with what they had. Jeff began at 61. He liked old furniture and light work. He bought thrift chairs, sanded them. He sold them locally on Facebook Marketplace. Jeff learned one skill at a time. He kept prices fair. He used photos' honest descriptions. The extra money helped his monthly budget. Nina wanted to share her garden tips. She made short videos each week. Her audience grew slowly but steadily. She now earns small ad-income product links. Starting this week means tiny tasks you can finish. You do not need a big plan. You need clear, small moves. The aim is action. Pick one idea from the list. Choose what fits your energy. Choose what feels doable this week. Keep the goal simple. Make one offer you can deliver. It can be an hour of tutoring. It can be a pet walk. It can be a short guide to sell. Say it in one sentence. Tell one person what you plan to do. Ask them to check in. That helps you keep going. Small accountability matters more than big plans. Day 1. Write 5 skills or hobbies you have. Keep the list short. Use plain words. Pick your top 2. Day 2. Watch one short video about one idea. Take notes. Pick one action step. Keep it under 30 minutes. Day 3. Set up a free profile on Fiverr. Set up a free profile on Upwork. Set up a free profile on Etsy. Use a clear photo. Write one simple sentence about what you offer. Day 4. Tell one friend your plan. Tell one family member your plan. Ask for one contact or share. Set a time to report back. Day 5. Do one tiny task. List an item. Send one email. Write a short post. Make a small action you can finish. Day 6. Research one passive income option that fits you. Read one clear article. Note time and cost. Decide if it fits. Day 7. Reflect and choose one goal for next week. What worked? What felt hard? Pick one small step and schedule it. Start small, keep it steady. 1 hour a day adds up quickly, you know. Small work each week becomes habit. That habit brings results. Use simple tools to save time. Templates, checklists, short scripts, reuse phrases, reuse images. This keeps work low effort. Ask for help, ask for referrals. Friends and family can share your listings. Small networks often lead to first clients. Be clear and polite when you ask. Be patient, be persistent. Most wins grow slowly. Do not expect instant riches. Expect steady progress if you stick with it. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need big money to begin. You only need one small step. Start this week and be kind to yourself. Your years of work are a real advantage. You know things that matter. Use that knowledge to help others. Offer clear, small services that fit your life. Try the 7-day plan above. Pick one tiny task on day 1. Tell one friend. Do one small action each day. That single week can build momentum. Main message: start now. One small step today leads to real change. Try one step this week and see what happens. It's not too late. It's never too late. You don't need to be rich, tech-savvy, or have a huge audience. You just need to start. You have experience, drive, and purpose. The rest, you can build. If this video gave you a spark, hit that like button and share it with someone else who needs to hear this. And tell us in the comments, what's one thing you're going to try this week? Thanks for watching. Keep believing in your second act, because the next chapter might just be the best one yet. This is Money Talks with Adia, where we make your money make sense.